How to lose weight by cycling. Biking can be a great way to lose weight. Unlike some other fitness programs, the learning curve is minimal. Chances are you already know how to ride a bike. Plus, biking is a fun, easy, low-impact exercise that's easy on your joints, making it accessible to just about anyone regardless of age or fitness level. By starting slowly and sticking to a regular biking routine, you can lose weight and improve your cardiovascular health. 1. Choosing your gear. Choose your bike. Pick the right clothes. Get the right accessories. 2. Planning your routine. Start slowly. Start out nice and easy in a safe location like your neighborhood before tackling more difficult terrain like hills. Once you get more comfortable, you can begin biking in more high-traffic areas. Alternate the intensity of your ride. Make recovery time part of your routine. Set specific goals. Determine your target weight and estimate how long it will take you to reach this goal. Biking for weight loss is a long-term strategy. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. 3. Rethinking your diet. Eat while biking. This might seem odd, but eating while on a longer ride can actually help keep you going on longer rides and can help you avoid overeating after rides. Eat right after biking. The 30 to 60 minutes after your biking session constitute your body's recovery time. Your body needs nutrients to help repair itself. Stay hydrated. Make sure you drink plenty of water before, during, and after biking. Soon after finishing your biking session, refill your water bottle and drink the entire thing. 4. Staying motivated. Keep your bike visible and accessible. Storing your bike out of sight allows for other priorities to get in the way of your biking routine. According to Stanford health psychologist and fitness instructor Kelly McGonigal, having a reminder to exercise will keep you motivated to do so. Vary your routes. An occasional change of scenery will break up the monotony of riding the same route over and over again, and it will present new physical challenges. Commute by bicycle. You can bike to work or do errands around town on a bike. The average bicycle commuter loses weight without putting forth any extra effort. 33. You'll also save money on gas and have an easy time finding parking. If you're planning to ride your bike to work, bring a change of clothes and consider showering at the office, if that's possible. Whatever you do, avoid being too sweaty at work. Plan your route to work carefully to make sure you're not late for work. Make the trip on a day you're not working so that you can get comfortable with the routine. Make friends with other bikers. Having friends you can ride with, whether in a spinning class at the gym or on the open road, means that you can exercise and socialize at the same time.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,